So I just got the access of this Manus AI. So there was a lot of hype going on around this tool, and I got the early access of this one. So let's see how it works. So I'm just putting some prompt to plan a trip from Toronto to Tokyo. So let's say I am planning a trip from Toronto to Tokyo with my spouse with a budget of 30,000 CAD. So help me to make a proper plan with budget and also create an interactive website where I can see a simulation of how much budget I will be spending at each step. So let's click enter and let's see how it goes, and let's enable the notification as well. So it has started working. So let's see how much time it takes. So it's researching the travel requirement from Toronto to Tokyo. So now it's calculating the flight cost for Toronto to Tokyo trip. Let's see. So you can view the Manus computer as well.
One eternity later.
So now it's showing that it has completed researching and planning the trip. So now it's creating this simulator app. So let's see how it goes. So okay, so this has completed this website, but somehow this budget simulator website is not working. So this is saying temporary website is currently unavailable. So let's copy this and again ask with Manus. So let's say I am getting this error when I click on the simulator website link and click enter. So this is saying so it's restarting the server, and we can just see the Manus computer here. So it's saying the Manus has completed the task. Let's see the link again here. It's again saying the Manus computer is asleep and the link has expired. So
one eternity later.
So after 2-3 tries, so I again asked it to try to recreate or maybe use other tech stack, and it created using HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript. So let's see how it created. So and now it's finally working. So let's see. So we have got 30,000 total budget, and through travelers trip days for 10 days. So I would go with the flight of economy. The budget remaining is $28,000, and the accommodation, so I want to do it mid-range hotel, and so the food and dining, so I want it to be high-end. So now we have 22,000 CAD remaining. So I would be using frequent taxi use because I wouldn't know a lot about the public transit. For activities and attractions, so I would go with the premium one. So now we have 19,000 CAD remaining. And for shopping, so we would do moderate, no, extensive, since I'm traveling with my spouse. Other expenses would be on basic one, let's say. So under the budget of 30,000, so we would have remaining of 17,000. You know, you can see the budget allocation flight 6.7, and so we didn't see the colors here, so we can later ask it to fix that one. So you know, here's one budget recommendation as well. So consider enhancing your trip experience, upgrade to more comfortable flight class, stay in higher quality. Okay, so let's see. This is pretty amazing, right? So let's again go to the Manus. And so before, so it had created one document as well. So let's go here and see here. So if you want the document version of it, so you can see the visa requirement. So citizen can enter Japan up to 90 days, and the entry requirement, COVID-19 requirement, so best time to visit, so a lot more. So let's say, so let's ask Manus again to add requirement. So what is the title called? So okay, so add travel requirement as well in the website, and also what is the section called? So the budget allocation. So I can't properly see the percentage written in budget allocation. So let's say budget allocation section on website. So put there as well. Website maybe because of color, so fix that also. So I think that should be it. So let's again click enter and let's see how it goes. Okay, so here you can see, so it's saying the simulator has been updated. Let's go here and see. You can see the travel requirement, visa requirement, entry requirement, and best time to visit and all, and it's the same UI. So you can just adjust this budget as well. So if you have, suppose, $10,000, so let's see, with the 2 travelers and trip duration 10 days, so let's go with the economy and mid-range. So you can just choose according to your wish. And so let's say the extensive shopping, so we have already spent 9,000, so I would do only 300 CAD here. And so you can see, so in the budget allocation still there is some problem, I guess. I don't think, oh yeah, it's local transportation, so we can't see this one, but it's fine. So if you hover onto this one, so we see local transportation. Maybe we could have fixed this as well, but I would be running out of the credits. But here you can see your budget allocation looks well balanced, and you have 700 CAD remaining, which provides good buffer for unexpected expenses. I think the Manus AI has done pretty well job here by creating this simulator app, planning the overall trip with the detailed research here. So you could see all the research it has done here. So if you just scroll up here, you can see so how it researches here from a lot of websites. So this is pretty well job. And so I have spent around, so let's see, I have spent around 995 credits. So I got 1,100 for the review. So I had 1,100 credit here for free, and so I use around 995. So if you have to upgrade, so you need to pay 39 it's CAD maybe, so for 3,900 credits per month. So it's pretty good job, right? So if you are doing it for 1-2, so the beginner stuff, so it's pretty good, right? So I like this website. This is how it has done, so I like this pretty much. So maybe we can deploy this as well. So let's say from here, so there's deploy sign as well, so let's deploy it permanently. So let's see how it does. So we can say it to public as well. So I will be putting all these links into the description, so that you can also see what are the prompts I have tried here. And so you can also see these links from here, so you can just access this website as well. So I think that should be fine here. So this is how this Manus AI works. So you can also give it a try. So maybe it's not available for everyone, so I got in the special invitation wait list. So this should be available in near future for everyone. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.